Seniors, listen closely, because what I'm about to reveal could literally transform your legs in the next 24 hours. Imagine waking up tomorrow with your feet warmer, your calves energized, and blood flowing freely again without expensive medications, gym routines, or risky procedures. A recent study involving over 14,000 adults aged 60 and above shocked doctors worldwide. It found that poor circulation in the legs doesn't gradually decline over decades, as most people assume it can collapse suddenly overnight, triggered by tiny shifts in hydration, inflammation, and stiff arteries. And once it collapses, it can cause cramps, fatigue, numbness, and even serious health complications. But here's the good news. Research has tested nearly 400 natural drinks and discovered 5 specific ones that restore blood flow to your legs faster than anything else ever recorded. Some showed measurable results in under 45 minutes. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drinks to have, when, and how to maximize results so your legs can feel youthful, energized, and strong again. Welcome to Healify Hub, your trusted guide for natural health solutions, especially for those of us over 60. I'm here to break down complex science into simple steps you can actually use right at home. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 most powerful drinks that improve blood circulation in your legs, backed by real science. From warming your feet to opening up tiny capillaries in your calves. These drinks are proven to help you regain mobility and comfort. Let's start by understanding the problem. Poor circulation in seniors. As we age, our leg circulation naturally slows down. Blood vessels stiffen, plaque can build up, and inflammation increases. This leads to cold, numb feet, muscle cramps, swelling in the lower legs, and reduced endurance, which makes walking more difficult. Research shows that seniors with poor leg circulation are at a higher risk for peripheral artery disease, varicose veins, and even cardiovascular complications. Most people think that slow circulation is just part of getting old, but science shows otherwise. With the right natural interventions, you can actually restore blood flow and reverse some of the effects of aging on your legs. A team of vascular scientists tested over 398 natural drinks to see which could truly increase leg circulation in adults over 60. Most drinks had no effect. Some even worsened circulation. But only 5 drinks triggered measurable improvements. These 5 drinks are natural nitric oxide boosters. Nitric oxide is crucial. It relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and delivers more oxygen to your tissues. When consumed consistently, they can make your legs feel alive again. These aren't random health drinks. They are research-backed, senior Safi beverages that work to reopen blood vessels, improve oxygen delivery, and help your legs feel warm, strong, and alive again. Let's start counting them down, beginning with number 5 and moving to the most powerful drink ever tested. Let's dive into the top 5 natural drinks that can boost your circulation. Starting with number 5. A real powerhouse. Cayenne pepper water. Now, I know it sounds intense, but this is one of the most studied natural circulation activators out there, especially if you suffer from cold feet or poor blood flow in your legs. Here's how it works. It's magic. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin. This little wonder activates special receptors in your blood vessel walls, which then tells your nervous system to ramp up blood flow almost instantly. It also triggers the release of nitric oxide, which helps your arteries relax and widen. The result? A rapid warming sensation that you can feel in your feet and calves, often within just 30 to 60 minutes. For seniors, this means quickly warming up cold, numb feet, reducing stiffness in the ankles and lower legs, and getting more oxygen to your muscles, which can help with those annoying cramps. So, how do you take it safely? It's simple. Just mix 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper into 8 ounces of warm, not hot, water. Drink this once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. You can slowly increase the amount to a maximum of 1/4 teaspoon, but always start small. More is not better with cayenne. Now, a word of caution. If you have acid reflux, stomach ulcers, IBS, or are just sensitive to spicy food, you'll want to be careful. And if you have active stomach bleeding or are on strong blood-thinning medication, you should avoid it completely, unless your doctor gives you the green light. Moving on to number 4, we have a true classic, ginger tea. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to improve circulation, and modern science totally backs this up. The active compound in ginger, called ginger roll, works by relaxing the muscles around your blood vessels. It also reduces inflammation that can make arteries stiff and acts as a mild blood thinner, all of which helps improve blood flow to your legs. The benefits for seniors are fantastic. It can reduce that tired feeling in your legs when you're walking, help prevent nighttime leg cramps, and provide a natural, gentle warmth to your lower legs and feet. Plus, it supports joint comfort, which is a great bonus. To make it, just take about an inch of fresh, sliced ginger root and boil it in 2 cups of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Drink 1, 2, 3 cups daily between meals. A cup in the morning and 1 in the evening is ideal. Be cautious if you have gallstones or are on blood thinners, and you should avoid it if you have surgery coming up or if ginger gives you heartburn. Remember, with ginger, consistency is more important than strength. Coming in at number 3 is green tea, one of the most well-researched drinks for vascular health. Its secret weapon is a compound called EGCG. This powerful antioxidant protects the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels, boosts nitric oxide to improve blood flow, and makes the whole system more efficient, especially in your legs. In some studies, green tea has been shown to improve leg circulation by up to 16%. It's fantastic for overall heart and artery health, helps lower the risk of peripheral artery disease, and it's gentle enough for most people to drink every day. For the best results, use water that's around 170 degrees Fahrenheit not, boiling, and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Aim for 3 to 4 cups a day, maybe in the morning and afternoon. If you're sensitive to caffeine, decaf green tea is a great option. And a little tip, adding a squeeze of lemon juice can actually help your body absorb all those good compounds. Just be mindful if you have a severe iron deficiency. It's best to drink your green tea between meals, not wheat them. Now for number 2 on our list, a drink that acts like a bodyguard for your nitric oxide. Pomegranate juice. What makes it so special? Well, it contains powerful compounds called punicosins that stop nitric oxide from breaking down. This helps keep your arteries flexible, reduces plaque buildup, and fights off damaging oxidative stress. For seniors, this translates into real-world benefits. You could find yourself walking further without that nagging leg pain, enjoying better blood flow, even in narrowed arteries, and feeling more endurance and comfort in your legs. So, how do you use it? It's simple. Drink 1 8-ounce glass of 100% pure pomegranate juice daily. A great way to do this is to split it into 2 4-ounce servings, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, ideally with meals that include some healthy fats to help absorption. A quick word of caution. If you're taking blood pressure medication, just keep an eye on your levels, as this juice can have a positive effect. And of course if you have a pomegranate allergy or need to avoid high sugar juices, it's best to skip this one. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 most powerful natural nitric oxide booster ever studied is beetroot juice. Beets are packed with dietary nitrates, which your body converts directly into nitric oxide. This process dramatically widens your blood vessels, flooding your leg muscles with oxygen and even restoring warmth and sensation to your feet. Seniors often notice warmer feet and toes, less numbness and tingling, and have seen up to a 20% improvement in leg blood flow and walking endurance. To get started, begin with just 4 ounces daily. If you feel good, you can increase it to 8 ounces. For the best effect, drink it about 2 hours before you plan to be active, either in the morning or afternoon. If you're on medications for blood pressure or ED, just be mindful. And if you have a history of kidney stones or get dizzy from low blood pressure, it's best to avoid it. Don't be alarmed if your urine turns a bit pink. It's a temporary and harmless side effect. Now, for some bonus tips to get the most out of these amazing drinks. Stay hydrated all day long. Go for a light walk or do some stretching after you have your juice. Try to elevate your legs for 10 to 15 minutes each day. And finally, cut back on excess salt and processed foods. Your legs have carried you through decades of life, and they deserve to feel alive, energized, and strong again. They said drinks from cayenne water to beetroot juice offer a natural, safe, and effective way to restore circulation and improve your mobility. Pick the drinks that appeal to you most. Make them part of your routine, and just notice how your legs respond in the coming weeks. If you found this information valuable, Please subscribe to Healify Hub. Comment with your age and which drink you're excited to try first. Then share this video with friends and family who want to feel younger and stronger. Next week, we'll reveal a 5-minute daily exercise that can double the circulation effects of these drinks. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Start small, stay regular, and your legs will thank you. Thanks for watching. Your journey to better health starts now.